Whether the latest launch of Dell EMC PowerEdge servers has spurred you to look for previous generation deals, or you're considering waiting for the next release, Dell EMC PowerEdge XS servers are a way for you to have your cake and eat it too. These new systems support up to 32 cores per processor, aligning with the VMware licensing model, which optimizes licensing costs, while also providing support for new standards as well as the new Intel security functions. Plus, our hands-on testing uncovered compelling performance reasons to upgrade now. We compared transactional database performance between the PowerEdge R750 XS and a previous generation server. The PowerEdge R750 XS handled 76% more online transactions through higher VM density, which could translate to less waiting for customers making purchases. It could also speed processing patient records, updating financial data, and catering to travelers' needs. We also compared virtual desktop infrastructure performance on a PowerEdge R650 XS and an older PowerEdge R640. In this comparison, we found that the PowerEdge R650 XS handled 58 more VDI sessions per server, so you can keep your remote workforce productive with fewer servers. And VDI lets you centralize resource-intensive apps with end users accessing them on their own devices. In addition, both PowerEdge XS servers were more power efficient, with the R750 XS delivering more performance per watt and the R650 XS consuming fewer watts per VDI session than their older counterparts. These power efficiencies could translate to lower data center power and cooling expenses as your business grows. More transactions, more virtual desktop users, higher power efficiency, and the latest features await businesses that invest in these Dell EMC PowerEdge XS servers.